Recording in progress.
Hello dear students. Today in this session we will see some important journal entries and we will understand the effects of that journal entries. So let's start. Here you have to journalize the following transactions in the books of Sanskar for February 21. So this will be the format, as you all know: date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So you have to write the date, Feb 2021, first transaction, purchase goods for cash, rupees 50,000. See, you have purchased goods for cash. That means purchase is an expenditure, and so purchase account is debited by rupees 50,000 and cash is paid. So cash goes out. So to cash. You have to write the compulsory, the narration, being goods purchased for cash. The second transaction is paid insurance. See, these are the some common transactions which will be there in your exams. So understand it properly. Paid insurance, that means insurance is an expenditure. So insurance account is debited and you paid the insurance. That means you paid the cash. So cash is goes out. So to cash account. Amount is 500. Then the next transaction is received discount rupees 800. See, discount received. Discount received means you didn't receive any cash, and here party name is not given. Okay, this is a non-cash transaction, so you can't record it as cash received. So just debit the party account debit to discount to received account, as discount received is an income and from somebody you received the discount. So party is the giver of that much payment you need to, less payment you need to pay. Then next transaction, sold machine to Digvijay for rupees 25,000 on credit. See, you sold the machinery. That means, and this is on credit. On credit means you didn't receive any cash right now. Okay, so machine goes out and Digvijay is the receiver of that machine. So Digvijay account debit 25,000 to machinery account, as machinery goes out. So you have to give credit to machinery account. Then check the next transaction. Received rupees 50,000 from Rajesh. So you received 50,000. That means you received cash. So cash comes in, cash account debit 50,000 to Rajesh account, as Rajesh is the giver of cash. So his account is credited. Now check the next one. Paid transportation charges. Paid transportation charges rupees 660 to Sanskruti. See, you paid transportation charges. Here reason and person both are given. So in this case, reason is very important. Means what? You paid transportation charges. Transportation charges is the reason and Sanskruti is the person. So transportation charges is more important than the Sanskruti. Okay. So you paid cash. That means transport charges is your expenditure. So debit transport charges account. And you paid for transportation charges. That means you paid cash. Cash is goes out. Okay. So to cash account. So transport charges account debit 660 to cash account. Here no effect for Sanskruti. Then check the next one. Purchased furniture rupees 35,500 from Salunke Brothers. Okay, so here this is also a credit transactions. You didn't paid any amount for purchasing furniture. It is on credit. Okay, so purchase furniture is not purchase of goods. Okay, so remember, purchase account is not debited here. You have to debit furniture account, as furniture is your capital expenditure. You can't purchase furniture day by day. Okay, so furniture is your asset. Furniture comes in, it's a real account. So furniture account debit 35,500 to Salunke brothers account, as Salunke brother is the giver of that furniture. Okay, then check the next one. Deposited cash rupees 5,000 in PDCC bank. So see, you deposited cash means what? PDCC bank is the receiver of cash, so PDCC bank account is debited, and from your side cash goes out, so cash account is credited. So PDCC bank account debit to cash account. Next transaction, paid rent rupees 5,000. See, rent is an expenditure, so rent account is debited. Why rent account is debited? You paid the rent, means you spent for the rent. Okay, so rent account is debited to cash account, as cash is goes out, so cash account is credited. Then next is paid salary of rupees 7,000. Again, salary is an expenditure, so salary account debit to cash account as cash goes out. Okay, so these are the some common transactions which will be there in your exam. Don't forget to write narration to each and every entry. Take the total and close your journal entry. Thank you.